Hello, my name is Gurpinder Kaur Sandhu, and in today's lesson we're going to talk about how to give examples in your Ielts writing. To begin with, I have a few sentences written down here. The first sentence: fast food has a high content of fat and sugar, which can lead to serious health issues like obesity and cardiac disease when eaten in quantity. Now the linking word here is like. We can replace like by such as or namely, which will then change the sentence into fast food has a high content of fat and sugar, which can lead to serious health issues such as or namely or like obesity and cardiac diseases when eaten in quantity. Now please be sure to use your commas correctly. Here the commas are used before and after the example. Another way to write this sentence is: obesity and cardiac disease are typical examples of the health issues that can be faced by people who regularly consume food with a high fat and sugar content. Moving on, for this sentence right here, an increasing number of people are eating unhealthy food regardless of the health warnings. For example, about 70% of the people working in the UK resort to buying ready-made meals for convenience rather than doing home cooking. Now we can replace the word for example. We can use for instance to illustrate, as an illustration, or to give a clear example. For this sentence right here, an increasing number of people are eating unhealthy food regardless of the health warnings. This is exemplified by the 70% of working people in the UK who resort to buying ready-made meals for convenience. You can also write the exact same sentence in this manner. This can be seen by the growing number of working people in the UK who resort to buying ready-made meals for convenience instead of cooking at home. That was all for today's lesson. Stay tuned.